do a bit of manoeuvring now with it.
Right. Just something to remember you by. Don't look back, will you?
Yeah, don't take this wrong, but I hope I don't see you again. Hold on, watch.